Welcome to our tutorial on how to check your address on Gmail. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to update your address information on your Gmail account. First, open Gmail on your Android device. Once you have opened the app, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now, tap on Personal Info from the menu. This will allow you to view and edit your personal information on your Google account. Under the section labeled Addresses, tap on the option that says Home. This is where you can view and update your home address. To update your address, simply enter your region in the provided field and then tap on the Save button. Your address information will now be updated on your Gmail account. That's it. You have successfully checked and updated your address on Gmail. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Gmail.